Imagine for a moment everything you thought you knew about the world suddenly flipped on its head. That's what 2025 did to science. Every year scientists race to uncover new truths, but this year, even the experts were left speechless. I'm talking about discoveries that rewrote the rules. Picture doctors using brand new tools to heal the body in ways we never dreamed possible, or astronomers finding clues about the universe that literally changed the questions we're asking. There were breakthroughs that could help save our planet, turning yesterday's science fiction into today's reality. And technology. It's like we hit fast forward. Some of the tech unveiled in 2025 is so wild, you almost have to see it to believe it. But don't worry. This isn't a lecture or a deep dive into jargon. I'm here to break it down, show you what really matters, and make it all make sense, no matter your background. Whether you're a lifelong science fan or just a little bit curious, I promise these discoveries will blow your mind. So, welcome to For Science Salah Lotfy channel. Together, we're diving into the 5 discoveries that stunned the world and redefined what's possible. Get ready for a journey that'll have you seeing science, and maybe even the future, a little differently. Let's jump in.
Welcome to For Science Salah Lotfy channel, where global scientific research becomes clear and accessible.
هنا نحول الأبحاث العلمية العالمية إلى معرفة مبسطة مترجمة لك بلغتك.
Ici, la science est expliquée et traduite pour tous.
Ciencia clara, accesible y disponible en varios idiomas.
Wissenschaft, verständlich und mehrsprachig für jeden.
قناة For Science Salah Lotfy channel. العلم للجميع وبجميع اللغات. تابعنا لاكتشاف المزيد.
Imagine this. You get a nasty injury, and instead of surgery, you just stick on a patch, and your body starts to heal itself. No crazy injections, no stem cell drama, just a simple little patch doing the heavy lifting. That's not science fiction anymore. In 2025, researchers unveiled the bio-reprogramming patch, and honestly, it's changing everything. Here's the deal. For decades, scientists tried to repair tissues using stem cells. Powerful, sure, but unpredictable and super expensive. But now, with this patch, it uses microelectrical pulses to tell your ordinary skin cells to switch jobs, like giving factory workers new instructions on the fly. One moment, their skin. The next, their muscle, nerves, even blood vessels. Think about it. You get hurt, slap on the patch, and your own cells start rebuilding what's broken, right where you need it. In early trials, people with nerve injuries felt sensation return faster. Wounds healed like time was on fast forward. Muscle damage? Cells got to work, fixing things up without any labs or petri dishes. And here's the wildest part. It's not just for hospitals. Imagine an astronaut on Mars, far from Earth, using this tech to repair injuries without surgery. Emergency rooms, combat zones, even deep space, the possibilities are huge. Of course, it's early days. Scientists are still figuring out long-term safety and how precise the patch can be. But make no mistake, 2025 was the year healing got its biggest upgrade ever. The body reprogrammed to fix itself, and that's only the beginning. Physics is the invisible language of the universe, shaping everything from galaxies to the tiniest particles in our bodies. It lets us ask the deepest questions. Why is there something rather than nothing? What are we made of? For centuries we've built theories and run experiments, predicting the world with astonishing accuracy. Yet, the most thrilling moments in science come when our theories break down, when nature reveals a new secret. In 2025, deep inside a particle accelerator, scientists saw something that didn't fit our story of the universe. A fleeting particle behaved in a way that seemed impossible, shaking the foundations of physics. This wasn't just a minor detail, it suggested our book of physics is missing entire chapters. The discovery has opened a mysterious new landscape, hinting that reality is far stranger than we imagined. The story of the universe isn't over. A thrilling new chapter has just begun. Its implications could reshape our world for centuries to come. To grasp the impact of the 2025 discovery, we need to understand the standard model of particle physics. For 50 years it's been our guide to the subatomic world, listing the 17 fundamental particles that make up everything. It describes 3 of the 4 fundamental forces: strong, weak, and electromagnetic, and their force-carrying particles. The standard model's predictions have been confirmed by countless experiments, making it the most successful theory in science. Its crowning moment was the discovery of the Higgs boson in 2012, explaining how particles get their mass. But the model has gaps. It doesn't include gravity, dark matter, or dark energy, and it can't explain why matter dominates over antimatter. Scientists have long suspected it's incomplete, searching for cracks in its elegant facade. The 2025 anomaly is the biggest crack yet, a sign that a deeper theory awaits. The quest for what lies beyond has never been more urgent. The first hint of new physics came as a subtle anomaly in the data at CERN's LHCb experiment. Scientists were studying beauty baryons, heavy particles that should decay almost identically to their antimatter counterparts, but the data showed a much larger difference than the standard model allows. After exhaustive checks, the anomaly persisted, growing stronger with each new measurement. This wasn't a minor tweak. It was a direct contradiction of established rules. It was as if a feather fell upward, defying gravity. The result pointed to an unknown influence, a new force or particle outside the standard model. The global physics community was electrified. After decades of confirming old theories, here was a signpost to new physics. Our inventory of the universe's ingredients was suddenly incomplete. A new realm of undiscovered phenomena beckoned. Imagine a spinning top you've studied 1,000 times. It always falls left after 10 seconds. One day you spin it and it levitates, glows blue, and falls right. Your rulebook is shattered. Not wrong, but incomplete. That's what happened at LHC, the beauty baryon. Their spinning top behaved in a way the standard model couldn't predict. This consistent anomaly is a signal from nature that our understanding is flawed. The difference in decay rates was the blue glow, a sign of a hidden mechanism at work. It could be a new particle, a new force, or even evidence of extra dimensions. The top didn't break the laws of physics. It revealed there are more laws than we knew. Our map of reality is missing entire continents. This experiment gives us the first clue about where to look next. The journey to uncover these hidden laws has just begun. This discovery could redefine our concept of matter and reality. The anomaly hints at a fifth force of nature, something not seen in over a century. It might explain why matter dominates over antimatter, solving a mystery as old as the universe. The hidden force could also be a bridge to the dark sector, the realm of dark matter that shapes galaxies. Perhaps it's our first glimpse of extra dimensions where new forces operate beyond our perception. If there are new forces, there must be new particles. Maybe entire families we've never seen. Our understanding of matter may be as incomplete as a medieval map. This is like finding the coastline of a new continent. We don't know how vast it is or what laws govern it, but we know it's there, and the journey to explore it has just begun. The universe is inviting us to discover its hidden depths. Breakthroughs in physics often seem abstract, but they lay the groundwork for future technologies. The discovery of the electron once seemed academic. Now it powers our world. Quantum mechanics led to lasers, transistors, and the digital age. The 2025 discovery could spark a new technological revolution. It may unlock advances in quantum computing, making robust, fault-tolerant machines possible. We could engineer new materials, room-temperature superconductors, powerful magnets, or novel energy storage. Understanding new forces could help us tackle global challenges, from clean energy to environmental solutions. We stand at the edge of a landscape of possibilities. Every answer brings new questions. The cycle of discovery continues. The quest to understand the cosmos will keep enriching humanity in ways we can't yet imagine. This is why you need to pay attention to space news, because sometimes one planet can rewrite the rules for the entire universe. Get ready to meet the cosmic rebel. In 2025, astronomers using cutting-edge telescopes stumbled onto something jaw-dropping. A planet orbiting a star, like our sun. But that's where the similarities end. This world doesn't play by any of the rules we know. Its mass and makeup shouldn't be possible. Its orbit, completely chaotic. The atmosphere, unlike anything we've ever seen, Temperatures swing wildly, and the physics just don't add up. Until now, we thought we had planets figured out. Rocky, gassy, icy, neat, and tidy. But this discovery blew up the textbook. Picture Earth with vapor rings, a magnetic field that flips on a whim, and days that last a week. That's how weird this planet is. The craziest part? This one discovery challenges decades of astronomy, hinting that the universe is far more creative and unpredictable than we ever imagined. Every time we think we've got space figured out, it throws us another cosmic curveball. And this is just the beginning. Our planet faces challenges like never before. Climate change, pollution, and ecosystem collapse. But in the year 2025, scientists revealed a breakthrough that offers a real chance to turn the tide. The breakthrough came in the form of a revolutionary carbon capture technology. Unlike previous methods, which were expensive and slow, this system uses engineered materials that absorb carbon dioxide directly from the air and convert it into useful products like building materials and biofuels. Think of it this way: instead of seeing carbon dioxide as waste, we can now treat it as a raw material. Air pollution is not just reduced, it is transformed into something valuable. In the year 2025, pilot projects showed that a single facility could remove tens of thousands of tons of carbon dioxide per year. Scaled globally, this technology could drastically reduce the greenhouse gases driving climate change. This is not a complete solution, we still need to reduce emissions, but it is a tool that could make climate goals achievable faster than previously imagined. And it is more energy efficient and cost-effective than any comparable technology before it. The implications are huge. Cleaner air in cities, healthier ecosystems, and even the potential to reverse some of the damage already done to our oceans and forests. The year 2025 proved that science can offer hope. With innovation, the planet itself can become part of the solution. It is a reminder that environmental action is not just about what we stop doing. It is about what we create. This was the fourth discovery that reshaped our understanding this year. A technology that does not just fight climate change, it rewrites what is possible. And next, we will explore the fifth and final breakthrough of 2025. A technological leap that could transform how we live, work, and even think about the future. Technology continues to shape our world at a breathtaking pace. But in 2025, one breakthrough promised to change how we live and interact more than almost anything before. This year, scientists unveiled next-generation artificial intelligence integrated with quantum computing. It's not just faster or smarter, it's capable of solving problems previously thought impossible in medicine, climate modeling, and materials design. Imagine an AI that can predict disease outbreaks days in advance, design life-saving drugs in hours, or optimize entire energy networks to reduce waste and emissions. This isn't science fiction, it's reality, thanks to the 2025 breakthrough. What makes this discovery revolutionary isn't the AI itself, it's the combination of quantum computing and advanced machine learning. Quantum processors allow calculations that would take classical computers millions of years, now done in minutes. The technology can simulate complex molecules, discover new materials, and even aid in predicting global events. It's a tool for scientists, engineers, and policymakers alike, helping humanity solve problems faster and more efficiently than ever before. From improving healthcare to advancing renewable energy to assisting space missions far from Earth, this AI leap has applications everywhere. It represents the fusion of human creativity and machine precision. And that was the fifth and final discovery that reshaped our understanding in 2025. A technological leap that could, really redefine how we live, work, and even think about the future. From medicine, to physics, to space, the environment, and now technology. Aus nauwesem kool, suspeden auwesem kabel. 2025 was a year of discoveries that changed our world in ways we are only beginning to understand. 5 discoveries. 5 ways the world is different today than it was yesterday. And honestly, each one reminds us of the power of human curiosity, innovation, and imagination. Thank you for joining us on For Science Salah Lotfy channel. The future is being written now, and every discovery brings us closer to understanding the extraordinary universe we live in. The breakthroughs that rewrote science in 2025.
2025 delivered discoveries that, honestly, reshaped our understanding of the world. We witnessed new ways to heal the human body, saw physics challenge its own foundations, encountered planets that, rewrote the rules of astronomy, watched environmental science offer real hope for our planet, and explored technologies capable of transforming everyday life. Each breakthrough showed us just how fast human knowledge can evolve. These discoveries are more than scientific achievements. They are reminders of what becomes possible when curiosity, innovation, and determination come together. They encourage us to keep asking questions, to keep pushing boundaries, and to keep imagining what might come next. Science is not just a collection of answers. It's an ongoing journey. And this year, that journey revealed, honestly, some incredible new paths for the future. From the smallest particles to the widest corners of the universe, 2025 showed us that discovery is endless, and that every new insight brings us closer to understanding the world we live in. Thank you for joining us on For Science Salah Lotfy channel. Stay curious, stay inspired, and let science continue to guide your imagination.